Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the 2019 350 Outrage by Boston Whaler. Phenomenal boat, does just about everything. We'll start with the color. It's got the Abaco blue. As you look down the profile of the boat, the lines are very, very sharp looking. It's got the stainless steel insert. It's got a majorly flared bow out there. It's a deep water boat. It'll handle the big water no problem. As you move to the back of the boat, you're going to see it's got the underwater lighting. And you've got the triple 350 Verados on the back. All the power you're going to need to get this right up on plane, and give you a top end right around 50 miles an hour. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 350 Outrage. Let's start at the back. If you are fishing, you get the rod holders all across the back. We do have a nice live well over here. And this will actually fold away. If you aren't fishing, it's a great seat that folds down, that you can sit comfortably going for a nice ride to the beach, to dinner, sunset, that type of thing. You do have the dive door, which does a couple, as far as swimming, great way to get safely on and off the boat. As far as fishing, another great way of getting the fish on and not bringing them over the gunnel. You don't tend to lose the fish that way. So you got a nice big prep area right here. Large live well here. So you got two good sized live wells on here. And then we have the shore shade. That's an automatic shade that comes out and it goes all the way, it covers the back side of the seat. Real great feature, especially in the hot summer months. As we move towards the helm area, you got the Yeti cooler that's tucked down neatly out of the way on the side. And then you've got a huge dash. You've got all the room in the world to put whatever you want. You can put 3 units up there. We could move this down, and then you could put 3. This is the vessel view. You can put 3 units across if you really wanted it. And it also has the joystick. Does 3 things. Full control of the boat. It'll go sideways if I want. Has the sky hook. It'll lock itself in place if I'm waiting for a slip assignment and just waiting for maybe a bridge or whatever it may be. The sky hook will keep you locked in. It's fantastic. Also, it has autopilot, keeps you moving in a straight line, and it's no waypoints or anything. It's a great feature. As we move towards the real nice door for the head area. And the head's got a ton of room. As you can see, it's got a nice bathroom set up. You got teak on the floor, and vacuum flush head set up very nicely. Large bow seat up here. You've got 2 adults, very comfortable. You could, without the armrest, you could squeeze 3, and you have a gigantic storage facility in here. So that's the filler cushion for up here. You got rod holders set up there, cooler. All kinds of room to keep whatever you want to keep. And then the table itself is automatic. It goes up and down, and you can that filler cushion goes on there, makes a real big bow area. And then the recessed windlass is in the front, all non-skid. The boat is absolutely fantastic. It can take you inshore because it still has a shallow draft, but if you're going offshore, it's going to take you anywhere. You can go to the Keys, you can go to the Bahamas. This boat will take you anywhere you want to go safely. It is a Boston Whaler. So any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.